It's friend mail time. Yay, this is so exciting. Look at all these packages we have to open. Let's get to it. Hey guys, my name is Missy, and I'm a full-time thrifter, picker, or better yet, treasure hunter. I love finding things that catch my eye and bringing them back to life. You can find me picking garage sales, thrift shops, flea markets, auctions, and yes, even curbs. So come join me on this adventure. Let's do some picking. Hey guys, it's Missy with Junk to Be Loved. I am back with another video for you guys today. Today's video is a little bit different than my regular videos. Today's video is friend mail. Yay! As you've seen before, I got all these lovely boxes. They're big boxes. And I got all these boxes from one awesome viewer of mine, one subscriber. She is amazing. Thank you again, Deb. I appreciate it. I'm excited to go through all these. She's told me that she's closing her eBay shop, so she sent me a bunch of friend mail. And she said that she didn't care if I kept it or sold it or whatever I wanted to do with it. So we are going to open up these boxes now. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas for me. So it's because it's all a surprise. I have no idea what's in here. So we will get started. This one, I thought it was one box, but it's actually two taped together. That's a good idea. I never thought about doing that. All right. Let's get these untaped and opened up, shall we? Thank you again, Deb. I'm so excited. All right, what's in the first one? Oh, here we go. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, and it's got a pocket in it. What's in the pocket? Kleenexes. This is nice. It's just like a little lap Afghan. There we go. This is very pretty. Very pretty. And it has a little, on the inside, a little pouch to put stuff in. So that is cool. Very nice. It's very pretty. Okay. Next up in the box, ooh, these are nice. It's a Noah's Ark. A Noah's Ark tapestry. Cool. So that's awesome. I'm running out of room to put things on my couch. My couch is full right now. Okay, in the second box, this is so fun. It's like unwrapping Christmas presents. And it's another Noah's Ark. Oh, cool. This one's like a wall hanging. Cool, cool. Ooh, another Afghan. I love Afghans. This one's pretty. Look at those springy colors. Nice. I like the chevron pattern. And it's like a little lap Afghan. Very nice. And one more in this box. It is a Ziploc baggie. And tape shut. Let me cut it open real quick. There we go. It looks to be like a tablecloth to me. Or multiple tablecloths. And they are perfect for fall. Wait, they're not tablecloths. They're aprons. They're aprons. Cool. And this one's nice. It comes all the way up. Cute, cute. Another curtain, or apron. Why do I keep saying curtains? These are aprons. This one's got birds on it. Cool, cute, cute cardinals. And this one, I'm not going to unfold it all the way. It's just got apples all over it. It's a cute apron, apple apron. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Alrighty, on to another box. You made my day, Deb. This is awesome. All right. First thing. If I can ever get it open. Ooh, bubble wrap. Pretty. It's a pretty vase. Very pretty and springy. It's got peanuts in it, packing peanuts. I'm gonna leave them in there, but that's cute. Very cute. And on to the next. It looks the same. It's another same vase, a matching vase. So I'll leave this one in bubble wrap because it's the same. Cool. A pretty pair. Oh, I wonder if they're all the same. I think they're all the same. Yep, I think they're all the same in this box. They all feel the same. Oh, those in there. Those are so pretty. All right. Now on to the next. Ooh, it's heavy. Oh, it's heavy. It's in a Vera Bradley bag. Here's a Vera Bradley bag. Well, I believe it's Vera Bradley, but I don't... Nope, Lemon Hill. Lemon Hill bag. Not Vera Bradley. Looks similar. This is heavy. It's big. Ooh, this looks pretty. You taped this one up pretty good, Dab. I'm gonna have to cut it open. You guys hear the train in the background? Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, 18 hours later, it is beautiful. Look at that. Very pretty. It's from Pure One Imports. That is so pretty. Very pretty. That is gorgeous. Love it. Okay. Next up, another box. Ooh, this one's got a bunch of smalls in it. We all like smalls, don't we? cute. Cute little duckies. A little pair of ducks. Adorbs. Oh, they're salt and peppers. There's salt and peppers. Duck salt and pepper shakers. Cute for springtime. Bubble wrap. Looks like a doggy. Oh, he's cute. He's got a little boot. Oh, how adorbs. Stinking cute with his little boot. Holding a little boot. And it is an Esco. It is an Esco. Nice. Very, very cute. Next up, bubble wrap again. Oh, these are cute little birds, I think. Or nope, these are seals, I believe. I can't get them open. I'm just gonna open up one because they're both the same. Cute, these are Homeco. And they're 2 seal figurines. Adorbs. Cuteness. Cute little guys. There's a lot in here. We may be here for a little bit. Another bubble wrap. I don't know what this one is. I can't tell yet. Oh, it's a pretty lady. I can't get her open. Okay, finally I got her. Cute little lady figurine. She is adorbs. Another one. We're just gonna keep going. Keep her rolling. I'm gonna try so hard to get these open quicker. But Deb, you did such a good job taping them up. This is a decorative egg, it looks like. It is a decorative egg. From Avon. Cute. It's got a bird on it. Love it. I'm making a mess with this paper here. All right, next up. is, oh, another cute little doggy. He's adorable. Look at his face. He's so sad. He's stinking cute and adorbs. He feels like bone china. He's so stinking cute. Cute, cute, cute. Another one. Next up. We have a pair of awesome, there's two of them in here, a green one and a yellow one. I'll just take the yellow one out. But they are this salt and pepper shakers with the noisemakers. Cool. The noisemakers no longer work, but there's the cork where you can put the, and there's where they come out. Neat. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Oh, adorbs. They're cute little pig salt and peppers. They're pig salt and pepper shakers. So stinking cute. Adorable. Cute, cute. Ooh, this one's heavy. What is the treasure inside? My scissors are getting dull. They look like more salt and pepper shakers, and these ones are heavy. Ooh, these are nice. These are like pewter. They feel like pewter to me. Those are nice. Nice salt and peppers. I'm running out of room. I'm running out of room back there. Ooh. Cute. There's salt and pepper shakers, and then it's a little dish. Cute. Adorbs. Deb, you must have had a big salt and pepper shaker collection. Here's some more salt and peppers. Oh, they're little chickies. Those are so stinking cute. Cute. Cute little fat little round chickies. Little, oh, Oh, it's a hummingbird and a flower. Salt and pepper. That is awesome. And these ones are Westland. Westland is who made those. That is so stinking cute. Those are adorable. Oh, and these ones are little elephants. Oh my gosh. These are the red ware elephants, salt and peppers. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Ooh, I just about got my finger. Oh my gosh, these are awesome. Are these Wade Whimsies? Are these Wade Whimsies? I don't know. Made in England. Are Wade Whimsies made in England or Japan? Look at that cute little kangaroo figurine. I thought Wade Whimsies were usually marked Wade Whimsy. Oh, they say made in England. These are little animals. Cute. There's a bunch in here. It's a bag of smalls. A bag of animals. Awesome. This is awesome, Deb. Thank you. I'm so excited about this. And the last one in this box oh, cute. It's a Minion light switch cover. Cute. All right. Awesome. Now on to the big last box. It is big. Oof, it's big. She sent me a card. How sweet. Hello, Missy. I'm closing my eBay store due to no sales. I thought you might like this. The items I have. This is one box, but there will be many more if you want them. Thanks for your friend, Deb. Thanks, your friend, Deb. Thank you, Deb. It's so sweet. That's so nice. I appreciate it so much, more than you even know. This is a big box, you guys. Ooh, a big item. Ooh, I don't know what that was. Oh, this one didn't make it, Deb. This one didn't make it. I'm not gonna open it because I can, all the pieces are broken in there. Maybe I will just open it. Oh, I hate when that happens. This one is a kitty. It didn't make it. Oh, that's sad. Okay. It happens. It does happen sometimes, unfortunately. All right. What is this one? This is wrapped up pretty well, Deb. Pretty. Ooh, this is really pretty. This may be, I might have to find a place for this piece of glass. This is pretty. Made in Poland, it says on the bottom. I'm trying to get these out as delicate as I can. I'm almost positive this is finding a place on my shelf somewhere, on my top of my cabinets. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at that glass. There's the top. It's all glass. Oh, I love it. I love it. And then made in Poland. That's pretty. Isn't that pretty? I like this a lot. This, I'm gonna set over here. We don't want that one to get broken. I'm glad that did not get broken, Deb. That is an awesome piece. Ooh, it looks like a big old kitty cat. It looks like a giant kitty. Cute. Oh my goodness. That's weird because he's got the texture of like a left end, but he's big. He's an older kitty. And he's a big kitty. Oh, I like him. He looks, he's got the texture of a left end, but there's the bottom. I love him. How stinking adorbs. Oh, there's another layer after this. I thought this was the last one, but I don't think it is. I think I just seen one in there. Oh no. I don't think this one made it either, Deb. Here's something rattling around in there. It didn't make it either. Oh, that's a bummer. I'm not gonna open it anymore. It didn't make it either, Deb. It's broken right up here and right here. Oh. It's a pretty vase, too. It's really pretty. Gosh, what is this? This is a big old one. The pile of packing paper is getting higher than me. What is this cute little thing? A big old thing, not little. It's big. Oh, the other part must be. It's a cookie jar. It's a cookie jar. The other part must be the other thing in the bottom of the box. Oh, there's a couple more things. This is awesome. I think this is the lid to the cookie jar. This is the lid to the cookie jar, so I'm going to leave this wrapped up for now. Stay. And then the last thing. Oh, nope. Wait. Yep, I think this is the last one. What surprise do you have for me now, Deb? Ooh, this is pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm just tearing up the bubble wrap and making a mess here. Come on, Missy. This is pretty. Ooh, it's a Hager vase. It's Hager. Pretty. Look at that lavender purple. That's pretty. And it is a Hager. Pretty. All right. That was awesome. Thank you so much, Deb. I truly, truly appreciate it. I had so much fun opening up those boxes. It was like Christmas time. So if you guys are interested in anything Deb sent me, feel free to send me a message. My email is junktobeloved@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Some of the things I will be keeping for myself and some of the things I will be selling. So if you can message me and I will let you know. But I also list on eBay and Facebook Marketplace every once in a while. So those links will be in the description below as well. And I have live sales. So make sure you hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video or when I go live. So I'm going to get off here for now, but that was awesome. Thanks again, Deb. I truly appreciate it. And until next time, keep smiling and happy picking. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep smiling and happy picking.